Kangna hits back at Karan Johar and says, I used the badass card and not the victim card. Kangna has once again gone on record to say what she wants and in an absolutely crystal clear manner. Well, I guess Karan Johar is not going to like this one. Spotboy had told you how Karan Johar hit back at Kangna Ranaut over her accusation of him being the flag bearer of nepotism in an interview with Anupama Chopra in London recently. The ace filmmaker responded to Anupama saying that Kangna doesn't seem to know the meaning of nepotism as he has not promoted any of his family members in the industry. He also accused Kangna of using the women and victim card all the time and that he is tired of it now. Kangna, who is known for her bold personality and bindas attitude, spoke to a leading daily in detail about Karan's statement. Well, let's say she has just lashed out yet again. I can't speak for Karan Johar's understanding of nepotism. If he thinks that it is restricted to nephews, daughters and cousins, I have nothing to say. But to say that he chose not to give me work is to mock an artist. As importantly, his memory appears to be poor because we worked together in a movie which was produced by him and quickly realized our sensibilities did not match. Kangna also added that she is at a loss to understand how he gave Kangna a platform by inviting her to be on his show. She furthermore stated that she has been on several platforms before with several global icons. To say he helped her voice her opinions is to discredit her as an artist and a public personality. Kangna also added that she was invited to be a part of the show in its 5th season. His team requested Kangna's team for months for her dates. Coming to Karan Johar's accusation of Kangna playing the victim card all the time, Kangna said, "Why is Karan Johar trying to shame a woman for being a woman? What is this about the woman card and the victim card? This kind of talk is demeaning to all women, particularly the vulnerable, because they are the ones who really need to use them. The woman card might not help you become a Wimbledon champ or win an Olympic medal or bag national awards. It might not even land you a job, but it can get a pregnant woman who feels her water is about to break a lady's seat on a crowded bus. It can be used as a cry for help when you sense a threat. The same goes for the victim card, which women like my sister Rangoli, who is a victim of an acid attack, can use while fighting for justice in court. I use every card possible. At the workplace, it's the badass card to fight cutthroat competition. With my family and loved ones, it's the love card. When fighting the world, it's the dignity card. And for a seat in a bus, it's the woman card. What is important to understand is that we are not fighting people. We are fighting a mentality. I am not fighting Karan Johar. I am fighting male chauvinism." Kangna also touched the topic of Karan Johar recently becoming a father to a daughter and a son. Now that Karan is the father of a little daughter, he should provide her with all these cards, the woman card and the victim card, and also the self-made independent woman card and the badass card that I flashed on his show. We will use whatever we need to ensure no one rocks our boat. Miss Ranaut also said that she is a little surprised at the graciousness Karan says he displayed in choosing to not edit the jousty bits on the show. While I'd have blacklisted the channel if something like that had happened, let's also remember that a channel wants TRPs and he is just a paid host. Lastly, Kangna concluded the chat by replying to Karan Johar's suggestion of her leaving the industry if she is so fed up of it. Also, the Indian film industry is not a small studio given to Karan by his father when he was in his early 20s. That is just a small molecule. The industry belongs to every Indian and is highly recommended for outsiders like me whose parents were too poor to give me a formal training. I learned on the job and got paid for it, using the money to educate myself in New York. He is nobody to tell me to leave it. I'm definitely not going anywhere, Mr. Johar. Now that's a hell lot of talking by Miss Kangna Ranaut. Will Karan Johar give an equally elaborate reply to Kangna or will he stay put? Difficult to guess.